This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
Tunisia has not recorded any new COVID-19 infections for the fifth consecutive day. The country's Ministry of Health says that none of the 2,200 tests carried out, including 45 on patients already diagnosed with the disease, were positive. CGTN's Adnan Shuashi has the details.
The overall COVID-19 infections start. There are 217 active cases which are still under observation, out of which only 3 are still in hospital.
We've recorded 0 new coronavirus infections thanks to the effort of all stakeholders, the medical and the paramedical staff, the security forces, the army, the public administration, the national organization and the civil society.
Required until further notice.
If people respect the prevention measures, this will allow us to permit more business sectors to open gradually while adapting the restrictions and the targeted health confinement to the new situation.
Tunisia's Minister of Health has called for more vigilance to prevent the disease spreading and to preserve the positive results obtained during the 6 weeks of the general lockdown.
Yes, the morale is high with 0 infections, but we must remain vigilant because new cases or a new cluster could appear anywhere and at any time. We still have people in self-isolation and confinement. We share the happiness of Tunisians, but we are still in a critical stage.
According to the COVID-19 task force, the number of tests carried out on individuals showing symptoms among those who have called the emergency line 190 has decreased from an average of 70 to 8 daily tests. At the peak of the coronavirus crisis, the number of tests carried out had reached 120 tests per day. Tunisian Premier Yassir Farfar and the National Observatory of New and Emerging Diseases have called for more vigilance and practicing of preventive and sanitary measures in public spaces and shops to keep the disease under control. Adnan Shuashi, CGTN, Tunis.